amazing people of YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. Welcome back to another episode of TJ's Tech Lab. I am, of course, TJ. So, I finally got this actually yesterday, that I'm an idiot and didn't know that it was actually delivered on Sunday until I just checked my emails, actually. But yes, I got this delivered, and I am super stoked to unbox this Google Home speaker. This is possibly the first Google branded speaker that I've unboxed on this channel, but not my first entry into the Google / Android ecosystem. I am currently in that process once again of gradually transitioning into the Google ecosystem for many reasons I'll go into in another video. But yes, this is one of the first steps in doing so. This is the hazel color of the new Google Home speaker. So let's jump into this guy and see what there is. Let's dig into it. So we have some pretty basic packaging. Looks good though. Google Home speaker, shows you the speaker itself, the Gemini branding, which I love Gemini. And so let's get to the pull tabs. You just have two simple pull tabs on the back, and then, whoops, I believe once you get the sleeve off, this is the actual inside box, and just has the Google branding on it, Google Home speaker, what you would expect. Okay, so let's do the actual thing here. Okay, here we go, guys. Slide the top right off, and Shazam! There it is. It looks like a home speaker. Look, the new one made by Google. So we first saw this at last year's Made by Google event, which they teased it on, I believe, like an end stand or something in a video, but never really said anything else about it until this year. But that's okay. It's here now. It's pretty much Google's answer to Apple's HomePod Mini, for example, but I would argue much better since it comes integrated with Gemini. It's, of course, Gemini is light years ahead of Siri. I'm sorry that it is. I hate to say that, but it's true. And so it comes neatly packed with the USB-C cable, and of course you do get the included power adapter. Looks good. USB-C port right there to plug the cable into. And sometimes, of course. Sometimes I forget to include the documentation. And I know people will tell me, you gotta include the documentation. It is part of the unboxing still. I know. But there's really nothing exciting to see there. Google neatly packages it up for some reason. The tape, I don't know why, but there it is. Your instructions, if you need them, throw it right in there. But yeah, this is the new Google Home speaker, just released a couple of weeks ago, or not even. On top here, it has touch buttons like that, but there's no screen on top or anything like that. Down here is, of course, your RGB light bar. This is multicolor, and it lights up, different effects depending on what you're doing, whether you're talking with Gemini or it's playing music or whatnot. But yeah, it looks very clean. You could say sleek. It just has that nice wire mesh fabric that we've come to know from other home speakers. And I will let you guys know how the sound is. I'll probably attach a little demo to this video. But yeah, until next time, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I greatly appreciate it. And if you enjoy my content, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're on TikTok, please give me a follow. And on YouTube, subscribe and whatnot. Until then, thanks for watching, guys. And peace out for now, and be well.